Hey guys! Welcome back to MY channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset any Android phone in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in settings, look for the search bar at the top. In the search bar, just type reset. Now you'll see an option that says factory reset. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap factory reset, a new page will open. Before we move forward, let me quickly tell you. If you reset your phone, all your contacts, photos, apps, and other data will be completely erased. So it's very important to back up your data first, either to another phone or to a memory card. Once that's done, scroll down and tap on Erase All Data or Reset, whichever option you see. As soon as you tap on it, your phone will begin the reset process. And that's it. As you can see, my phone is now reset completely, just like a brand new phone. So guys, this was the simple way to reset your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.